Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a girl named Luna. Luna was a kind and curious girl. She always wanted to help people. She dreamed of being a psychologist. She wanted to talk to people and make them happy. Luna went to school every day. She studied hard. She loved learning about the mind and feelings. Her teachers were proud of her. They knew she would be a great psychologist. One day, Luna saw a sad boy in the park. His name was Tom. He was sitting alone. Luna walked to him and said, "Hi, I am Luna. What is wrong?" Tom looked up and said, "I feel lonely. I have no friends." Luna smiled and said, "You have me now. Let's talk." Tom felt a bit better. He started to talk. Luna listened carefully. She asked simple questions. She wanted to know why Tom felt sad. Tom told her about his problems at school. Other kids were mean to him. He felt scared and sad. Luna thought for a moment. She said, "You are strong, Tom. You can be brave. I will help you." Tom smiled for the first time. He felt hope. Every day, Luna met Tom in the park. They talked and played games. Luna taught Tom how to be brave. She said, "You are special. Do not be afraid." Tom listened and tried hard. He felt better each day. One day, Luna had an idea. She said, "Tom, let's join a club. You can make friends there." Tom was scared, but he trusted Luna. They went to a book club together. The other kids were nice. They welcomed Tom and Luna. Tom made new friends. He was happy and thankful to Luna. Luna was happy too. She loved helping Tom. She wanted to help more people. So, she talked to her teacher. She asked, "Can I start a help group?" Her teacher smiled and said, "Yes, Luna. That is a great idea." Luna started the help group at school. Many kids joined. They talked about their feelings. They helped each other. Luna was the leader. She listened and gave advice. The kids loved her. They felt better because of Luna. As years passed, Luna grew up. She went to college. She studied psychology. She learned a lot about the mind. She wanted to help more people. She wanted to be the best psychologist. After college, Luna opened her office. She was now Dr. Luna, the psychologist. People came to her with problems. They talked to her. Luna listened and helped them. She was kind and smart. Everyone loved her. One day, a woman came to Luna. She was crying. Luna said, "Hello, I am Luna. How can I help?" The woman said, "I feel so sad. My name is Mary. I lost my job." Luna listened carefully. She said, "Mary, it is okay to feel sad. Let's talk about it." Mary talked about her job. She felt useless and scared. Luna said, "You are not useless, Mary. You are strong. You will find a new job." Luna helped Mary make a plan. She gave her hope and courage. Mary left Luna's office with a smile. She felt ready to try again. Luna helped many people like Mary. She was happy. She loved her job. She made a difference in the world. People felt better because of her. Luna was a hero in her town. One day, Luna saw Tom again. He was a grown-up now. He smiled and said, "Hi, Luna. Thank you for helping me. I am a teacher now. I help kids like you helped me." Luna felt proud. She said, "You did it, Tom. You are amazing." Luna and Tom stayed friends. They worked together. They helped many people. They made the town a happy place. Luna's dream came true. She was a great psychologist. She helped people feel better. And she was happy too. Luna's story is a lesson for us. It shows the power of kindness and help. If we care for each other, we can make the world a better place. Just like Luna did. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your English listening practice. Now let's do the test. Question 1. What was Luna's dream? A. To be a doctor. B. To be a teacher. C. To be a psychologist. D. To be an artist. Answer is C. To be a psychologist. Question 2. Who did Luna meet in the park? A. Mary. B. Her teacher. C. Tom. D. Her parents. Answer is C. Tom. Question 3. What did Luna start at school? A. A book club. B. A help group. C. A sports team. D. A music band. Answer is B. A help group. Question 4. How did Luna help Mary? A. Gave her a job. B. Listened and made a plan. C. Took her to the park. D. Introduced her to Tom. Answer is B. Listened and made a plan. Question 5. What did Tom become when he grew up? A. A doctor. B. A psychologist. C. A teacher. D. A writer. Answer is C. A teacher. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your English listening practice. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel for new English stories.